Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today we're tackling a common issue with Hisense TVs, the dreaded red light blinking problem. If your Hisense TV is showing this symptom, don't worry, we've got you covered with some straightforward fixes. Check power source. The first thing to do is to check your TV's power source. Ensure that the power cable is securely plugged into both the TV and the wall socket. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause the red light to blink. Power cycle the TV. Next, let's try power cycling the TV. To do this, simply unplug the TV from the power outlet and wait for about seconds. Then, plug it back in and turn the TV on. This can often resolve temporary glitches causing the blinking red light. 3. Update firmware. Another potential fix is to update the TV's firmware. Hisense TVs receive updates that can fix bugs and improve performance. Go to the Settings menu, look for System Update or Software Update, and follow the on-screen instructions to check for and install any available updates. Check remote control. Sometimes issues with the remote control can cause the TV to behave unexpectedly. Ensure that the batteries in your remote are fresh and properly inserted. Also, try using the physical buttons on the TV to rule out any remote-related issues. Perform a factory reset. If the problem persists, you may need to perform a factory reset. This will restore the TV to its original settings, erasing any customizations or settings changes you've made. Go to the Settings menu, find System or Advanced Settings, and look for Factory Reset. Follow the prompts to reset the TV. 6. Contact Hisense support. If none of these solutions work, it may be time to contact Hisense customer support. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps for your model and may arrange for further assistance or repairs if needed. Conclusion. And there you have it. We've covered several methods to fix the blinking red light issue on your Hisense TV. Hopefully, one of these solutions has resolved the problem for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.